Diesel still powers the real economy. Logistics fleets, telecom towers, construction equipment, mining operations, marine vessels, backup generators. These are the sectors that keep the world running, and they are also the hardest to decarbonize. There is no scalable alternative fuel available today. Yet, pressure to reduce carbon emissions is accelerating faster than most organizations can respond. Most existing retrofit solutions focus on reducing visible pollution, but many of them increase backpressure, reduce engine efficiency, and end up increasing total CO2 emissions. Companies appear greener on paper while becoming dirtier in reality. This creates a compliance paradox. The world needs a real scalable way to reduce CO2 emissions from existing diesel engines without replacing engines or fuels. SGT HydroEdge is a sustainability infrastructure company delivering decarbonization as a service for diesel-dependent operations. At the core of our decarbonization stack is our patented HydrogenFuelSystem technology. It is not a hydrogen storage system, it is not a fuel replacement system, and it is not a retrofit gadget. It is a combustion optimization infrastructure designed to make diesel burn cleaner and more efficiently. SGT's system uses low-voltage DC power from the engine's electrical system to electrolyze water and generate a controlled HHO gas stream. This HHO stream contains hydrogen and oxygen in the same stoichiometric proportion as water. Unlike systems that inject hydrogen alone, SGT generates hydrogen and oxygen together. This preserves the natural air-fuel balance inside the engine and avoids creating oxygen-rich or oxygen-deficient combustion conditions. Hydrogen has a higher flame speed and lower ignition energy than diesel. When introduced in trace concentrations into the intake air, hydrogen acts as a combustion catalyst. It accelerates the diesel flame front, reduces ignition delay, and promotes more complete fuel burn. By delivering hydrogen together with its corresponding oxygen, SGT preserves combustion stoichiometry and maintains engine thermodynamics. The engine continues to operate within its original design parameters. SGT does not inject a fixed amount of hydrogen. The hydrogen generation rate is dynamically modulated based on engine load and operating conditions. Hydrogen concentration always remains below 0.2% of intake air volume, far below the lower explosive limit and far below any combustion instability threshold. This makes SGT a controlled combustion optimization system, not a bolt-on gadget. SGT generates hydrogen on demand at atmospheric pressure with zero storage and zero accumulation. There are no hydrogen cylinders, no pressure vessels, no gas tanks. Hydrogen exists only transiently in a flowing gas stream and is consumed immediately inside the engine. The system includes non-return valves, flashback arresters, thermal cutoffs, and automatic shutdown on power loss. This design avoids the regulatory, safety, and compliance friction associated with hydrogen systems. By improving combustion efficiency at source, SGT reduces diesel consumption and lowers CO2 emissions directly. In real-world deployments, SGT has demonstrated 3 to 15% fuel savings, material reductions in CO2 emissions, and more than 70% reduction in particulate matter. These pollution reductions are not achieved through after-treatment. They are achieved through fundamentally cleaner combustion. Both CO2 and local pollution improve together. Diesel is unavoidable in the world's most critical operations: logistics fleets, telecom towers, backup power, construction and mining, marine transport. These are the hardest sectors to decarbonize. SGT enables credible, scalable decarbonization of existing diesel assets without replacing engines or fuels. This allows organizations to reduce Scope 1 emissions today while preparing for longer-term energy transitions. SGT HydroEdge delivers hydrogen fuel assist as part of a broader sustainability infrastructure stack. Through our Green Vision platform, we monitor fuel consumption, verify CO2 reductions, and provide audit-ready ESG reporting. We operate on a decarbonization as a service model. We do not sell devices. We stay accountable for decarbonization outcomes. SGT HydroEdge enables credible, defensible decarbonization for diesel-dependent operations, while allowing businesses to stay focused on what they do best. SGT HydroEdge, decarbonization as a service. Reduce, prove, improve.